Welcome back to the ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content that you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Welcome to another video of Vlogmas. Today is going to be a little different. It's Christmassy because I'm gifting and investing in myself today. There is a vision board workshop. It's a 2-day event that I'm going to today. And I just wanted to take you guys a little bit behind the scenes. I love doing a vision board every year. It disciplines me, it motivates me, it inspires me, it encourages me. And it just also helps me in the steps for my purpose and what I'm here for. And I just love doing them every year. So today I decided to attend this workshop. It's going to be different speakers talking about different aspects of vision, about health, about spirituality, financially as well. So I am going to take you guys along with me. And let's not forget today's scripture. It's going to come out of Habakkuk chapter 2, verses 2 and 3. I'm just going to read a small portion of it. And it says, write the vision, make it plain. So today we're writing the vision. What's the vision for my health? What's the vision for my finances? What's the vision for my marriage? What's the vision for my children? What's the vision for my career? I need steps. I need strategy. I need ideas. I need inspiration. And here is the time where I get to really reflect on 2023 going into 2024. What did I not finish? What did I procrastinate on? What do I need to do to get my jump start to this year? You can do a vision board as well. You can do one digitally. You can do a vision board the old simple way with a board. You can do it in a picture frame. There's so many creative ways that we can do a vision board. And I want to encourage you today to write your vision. Make it plain. Let's not make it this unrealistic vision, but a vision that fits your purpose, that fits your gifts, that fits your talents, that fits the abilities and the things that God has called you to do. There's something that God has called you to. There's somewhere that God has called you to, and there's someone who God has called you to. So that is what this video is going to be about today. Again, I hope it encourages you and inspires you to get your 2024 vision in. So I have arrived. I put my things down. I've taken some pictures. So but as you can see, it's beautiful here. It's so important that when you do something like this, when you have a vision, you surround yourself in an environment that motivates you to be creative, that motivates you to think, that motivates you to be encouraged and inspired. And that's what this vision workshop is about. Inspire. So I hope that you be inspired and encouraged. So let's get in this room, have some breakfast, we have food, and I'm excited. So let's go. Listen, I know it was a sacrifice, but you did this for you, right? You have to strategically set your schedule and your time to be here. So that is the end of session 1. It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go and grab me something to eat and come back for session 2, which is tonight. And we're gonna have a teaching, and then we're also gonna have dinner. I am totally, inspired already. We wrote down a few mind map planning priorities of the things that we want to look forward to, like in the next 3 months, a year, 5 years, and a lifetime. I love the different activities that we did. So let's go get ready to eat and get ready for session 2. See y'all in a bit.
Vision is your purpose in pictures. And your purpose is original intent. Purpose is God's original intent for you. A couple of things. True vision benefits others.
Good morning. It is day 2 of the Vision Workshop. And last night, there were so many nuggets, so many wisdom, so many strategies and keys dropped about vision. Wow. So if you didn't see, the topic was turning your vision from concept to contagious. And he talked about 5 necessary keys to make that effective. And the first one was clarity. The second one was commitment. The third one was consistency. The fourth one was conviction. And the fifth one, oh gosh, where was the fifth one? Collaboration. Man, it was so good. I have so many notes to transfer to my journal. But today, I'm looking forward to even more nuggets of wisdom concerning vision, and we will have a financial portion and a nutritional portion, which I am so super excited about the nutritional portion today. And this will close out our session for this vision board workshop. We're going to start today with some quiet time and some breakfast, and then get into the speaker portion of the workshop. Without further ado, let's get into day 2. Is the close of the 2023 Inspire Vision Workshop. We had an amazing time. I will link all of the speakers and their information in the description box below. 2 things that I got out of the first session, which was our financial stewardship workshop, was if you're going to be a consumer of something that you really like, then become an investor of that, like purchasing stocks. So if you like Nike and you love their shoe and you're always buying that brand, then invest in that brand. That's something I want to look into in 2024. And in the second portion of the workshop session today concerning nutritional lifestyle, she talked about rediscovering your passion and becoming unwavering when it comes to nutrition. So the biggest takeaway I had was, instead of focusing on losing weight, I need to educate myself about my body. Because my body is going through so many different changes, I need to educate and see what my body is actually telling me. So that will end this vlog. I hope that it encouraged you in your 2024 vision as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.